All right, Brad, product review.
Right.
How would you use modern technology?
Okay.
Cell phone magnifier.
Cell phone magnifier. Okay.
Now you're in trouble. You're out there in the forest. You're in trouble. You have your cell phone magnifier on you.
Yeah, I have it in my pocket.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because you're a millennial.
I am a millennial, and it's my other pants, but you know, I got it in my pocket with me. Okay. So a cell phone magnifier. Okay. So that would be not. Oh.
Huh.
Okay.
Huh.
Well.
Huh.
Anyway, you would put, oh my gosh, that is the big hand of the law right there. So, all right, watch this. Is it working?
That's funny. I wouldn't look in the sun now.
So anyway, yeah, yeah, you burn a hole in your face. So what I found is, it's a magnifier, it's like a magnifying glass, and I'm not sure there's a right way or wrong way, this side, that side. But what I'm gonna do is, this leaf right here, I'm gonna get the distance right, and boy, is that gonna get bright. All right, let's see.
Holy moly.
Okay. So that is the power of the sun. All right, through this magnifier. I'm glad I got sunglasses on. All right, so let's bring this right on down on that little pile of wood and really concentrate it.
That was very quick.
I actually blew it out. So let's, oh no, I don't want to do that because you'll mark it all up. Let me do a little test here on some plastic. It's not mine, it belongs to Chance, so it's okay. You know, it's for the cause. All right, so let's get down here.
Wow.
Oh, that's actually a little on the hot side. So anyway, I mean, wow, this is really cool. I don't know, are we gonna have these or something?
No.
Just FYI?
Yeah, just want to see how you would use your modern phone magnifier there.
Yeah, FYI.
And you went pyro, which is, that's what I figured.
Let's see what we got here. All right, ready, set. And I mean to tell you what, that is really something. I actually have one of these, and it was a survival magnifier, and that didn't come with all this because this was actually for the cell phone. You know, oh, I don't want to do that. I'll do this one.
Sure,
you know?
do it.
All right, it's odd how it configure. Oh, geez, that is just like crazy fast. Let's get it right down there.
Ooh.
This would really be something to have with you all the time, and you know what? You could use it to pick stickers and stuff like that. And if you needed to see a big eyeball, you could do something like that. I don't know.
You look like out of a J.R.R. Tolkien book. All right.
Anyway, Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com, playing around in the backyard. It's a cell phone magnifier, but man, does it work to get your fires going. I imagine if you had any sun at all, you could make a fire pretty fast, and then add a little kindling to it, and maybe some hand sanitizer. We'll shoot another video and get some hand sanitizer. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Goofing around, just showing you a little bit of something that could save your life. You know, whatever, one of these days. We'll talk to you later.